In the last lecture, we discussed encoder-decoder transformers. After building these models, researchers realized that many tasks could be handled effectively using only the encoder. This led to the development of Encoder-Only models, such as certain classification or embedding-based systems. Similarly, other models were designed to use only the decoder. These Decoder-Only transformers are particularly effective for generative tasks, where the goal is to produce sequences of text. There is also a third type of transformer that combines both encoder and decoder, often referred to as sequence-to-sequence models. These models were originally very popular for language translation and other tasks that required mapping one sequence to another. Over time, however, many applications found that using only the encoder or only the decoder was sufficient and in some cases more efficient. When both the encoder and decoder are used together, these models can also handle multimodal tasks where information comes from multiple types of inputs, such as text and images. I will discuss multimodal transformers in the next lecture. So, to summarize, there are three main types of transformers on Encoder-Only, and models that combine both encoder and decoder. Each type has its strengths depending on the task.